Hey, so working on reading discussion number 11 here. Uh, Using a single set of 12 pentominos, can you construct a larger version of the T piece using 9 distinct pentomino pieces? Can you accomplish this without using the original piece? Well, this is the closest I have gotten it to looking like the larger T, the 3 time T. Got a long piece over here. We got the T piece. I'm using the T piece in this one, and this is the closest I've gotten. I've given this at least 45, 50, maybe 100 tries, but it seems like the pieces just won't fit together properly. Um, like here, this is a pieces. It needs four. So I mean, technically, we need 5 pieces left. Which I mean, everything should make sense because in all reality, we have a 3 by 6, 3 by 6 rectangle here, and then a 3 by 9 rectangle here. So that's 18 plus 27 is 45, which is 3 times 9, or I'm sorry, 5 times 9. So it would be, you should be able to create this with 9 of the pentominos, but I think that since I can't, maybe since I can't mirror these ones, I can't figure out how to get them to set properly. Sorry about that, baby's crying. But anyway, I think the problem here is that if we were able to maybe reflect some things, or maybe overlapping didn't even work either because I tried that as well and I ended up using more than 9 pieces, which makes sense as well. Um, but yeah, so I couldn't figure it out. Maybe someone else can, but I've tried it quite a bit and I'm pretty burnt. So I'm going with that it can't, and that the closest you can probably get is something that looks a little bit like this. And it's just because the pieces won't fit together properly, and I think it might be due to mirroring.